Hello, we're in the Blue Mountains now. It's a trip just for international students. It's about 50 of us here. It's somewhere around 6 in the morning now. We got up early to go see the sunrise. We just missed it. I've got a time lapse coming up. Don't you worry. Look at this spot. This is the campsite where we're staying. It's stunning. Look at these ants.
I thought the little black ones were big. They're like bloody spiders.
Oh, bloody hundreds of them.
Oh, wow.
So I spent quite a while last night getting time lapses and stuff and pretty shots with long exposures, and now my camera's nearly out of battery, so that's kind of annoying. We're stopped off in the lovely town of Wentworth Falls to pick up some food. Classic Australian breakfast today. Steak and egg sandwich. Ooh. Moving on now. I'm not the only one that goes to great lengths to get good time lapses. So basically what we're doing here is there's about 40 or 50 of us from Wollongong, all international students or people with cars, and we're camping 2 nights here, driving around the Blue Mountains and stopping off at all the good sites. And we are just coming up to something that looks rather phenomenal. Have a look at this.
Is that better or worse than the best view you've ever seen?
I said this is the new best view. The best view you've ever seen.
So we're now going to what, the 3rd or 4th lookout of the day. It's pretty spectacular scenery. It's not quite hot enough. I mean, it's warm, but it's not really warm, you know. My DSLR just died, so I'm on the GoPro now for the rest of the trip. That's okay. Look at this place though. It's gonna get boring if I put too many stunning views in. I might do. People get bored of that stuff? Oh my word. I'm really nervous right now. Look at this. Look at it. Oh no, I feel weak. Oh, we're getting 50 people on this little tiny rock out here. I don't know if they can take it. I don't know if they can take the weight. We'll see. My goodness. Can you hold on to my camera? I'm never bad with heights, this is weird. Oh. It's not so bad if I look down. It's when I look at the people and think about the 2 tons that we've just added to this rocky outcrop. Rude. Maths. Oh, really? It goes through? Oh, no. Because of spiders.
He's going to do it.
Well, he's going to do it.
There's a lot of genuinely cool places around here. They're really hard. Look at this, another phenomenal view. Yeah. We're at a place called the Three Sisters.
Everybody out, there's a struggle yet to happen, but we didn't kick or shout.
Not a bad view.
It's too late now, we can't back out.
Woolworths. Things are a bit different here. So Woolworths still exists and is more like a large supermarket, much like Morrison's. I'm here to pick up some alcohol tonight. Woolworths is still pretty expensive, so we're going to Aldi instead.
We never give up and we're never gonna tire. Crawling from the embers of a dying fire. Cut when there ain't much left. Blame it on the peasants by convincing them it's theft. Go about your day as if it was the last. Demolishing your future for a fact time past. Living and breathing and feeding on fire. It never gives up and it's never gonna tire. When did you get
We're just packing up camp because it's Sunday, so we just had a last night. Check out this amazing view. The weather's not quite so good today, but I'm sure that this is lovely. Oh, wow, look at that!
Okay,
That is cool.
this looks like Jurassic Park.
My bird goes full, oh Lord, ain't it full? But I'm not gonna holler, 'cause I still got $1, and when I get low, oh, I get high.
That is not the warmest water I've ever been in.
Watch out, if I meet him tonight, I said when I get low, oh, I get high.
They should be called spants because they're bigger than ants. They're not ants.
And everything that's bigger than what they are.
Fucking hell.
You add an SP on the beginning.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Spants.